It's your man Alex, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on the True Classic Tees t-shirts. Guys, when I tell you all that I wear are t-shirts, every single video that I post on YouTube is me wearing a t-shirt, because that's all I wear ever is t-shirts. And so the True Classic Tees brand is the exact type of t-shirt brand that I would love to talk about on my channel. So before I even get started with this review, I want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by True Classic Tees. So my man John over at True Classic Tees hooked me up with 6 t-shirts. So I've got the color 3-pack on, which is one of the shirts that I'm wearing right now. And then I've also got the classic 3-pack, which are V-necks. If you know me personally, you know that I've never worn V-necks because I always hated them. I don't know why, I've just always hated the way that V-necks looked. And once I put the True Classic Tee V-neck on, I was actually really shocked with how nice V-necks actually look on me. I'm telling you guys, this brand is really up and coming. They've already got over 24,000 followers on Instagram. And I have to tell you, these t-shirts do wonders compared to what my normal t-shirts are like. So with that being said, I was sent over the color 3-pack crew neck t-shirts, which is one of the shirts that I'm wearing right now. And I was also sent the classic V-neck 3-pack, which is your white, black, and gray colored t-shirts. And for the color 3-pack, we've got gray crew neck, an olive green crew neck, which is honestly my favorite, along with this navy blue crew neck as well. So you guys can see this giant stack of shirts, right? They're all the shirts that I wear when I step out of my house that aren't just your daily walking around your house clothing. The nicer outfits I use are with all of these t-shirts. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them are from H&M. 1, 2, 3 are from Aeropostale. And I'm telling you, every single one of these shirts cost me like $5 or $6. And I have to tell you guys, there is absolutely zero competition. When you compare these t-shirts from the leading market brands, you can't compare them to True Classic Tees t-shirts. I'm so serious, I have proof right here. If you're like me and all you wear are t-shirts, True Classic Tees should be the brand that you go for because they are extremely affordable, which I will get into shortly. The t-shirts alone only weigh about 4.3 ounces, so they're not very heavy and they're made with extremely good quality. They're 60% cotton and 40% polyester. So I haven't tested this out myself, but when you put them in the dryer on a low heat setting, they specifically say that it will probably shrink your shirt roughly 5%. And so I actually haven't tested this out because I never put my clothes in a dryer, my pants or my shirt. About 5 years ago, I noticed that all of my shirts were starting to shrink massively. And so I stopped putting my clothes in the dryer specifically for that reason. So my clothes would stop shrinking. All of my pants and shirts would shrink to the point where I'd have to buy a completely new wardrobe. And so I only air dry my clothes right now. So if you guys do put your clothes in the dryer and don't let it air dry like I do, these t-shirts are already pre-shrunken. So if you do dry them on a low heat setting, they will probably shrink roughly 5% according to the website. Now, in terms of the fit, as you guys can see, they fit extremely well. Hopefully you guys can see this right now, but the sleeves are supposed to stop in the middle of your bicep. If the sleeves stop up here, that means the shirt is too small. If the sleeves stop down here, that means they're too long. So right in the center of your bicep is exactly where you want the sleeve to be. That's how you know it fits really well. Another thing to tell you that your shirt fits really well is where the seam is, right here by the corner of your shoulder that meets your deltoid. Once you feel this bone right here, this is pretty much where the seam's supposed to be for the t-shirt. According to the website, these are a contemporary / athletic cut t-shirt. So they're always going to be a fitted t-shirt. These t-shirts do fit me extremely well. Again, I'm 5'8", 160 pounds, and I'm wearing a medium-sized t-shirt. Okay, they fit very well on the shoulders right in here. The seams are perfectly aligned with my shoulder. The sleeve is right at my bicep. Okay, it's not too long, it's not too short. In terms of length, the furthest it goes is right there, which is honestly perfect. When I move my arms like this, okay, it doesn't move my shirt. Okay, I don't have to pull my sleeves down if I stretch too hard or anything crazy like that. And honestly, one of the most incredible things that I find with these t-shirts is how agile and how movable and breathable that these t-shirts are. Okay, usually when I'm wearing my H&M or my Aeropostale t-shirts, I'm constantly fixing the sleeve, constantly fixing my shoulder, making sure that it's back into normal position. But with these t-shirts, because they are made with 40% polyester and 60% cotton, and they're already pre-shrunken, I'm very agile. I can do legit any type of movement, and these things will always look great. If you guys can see, just by looking at the quality of the t-shirts, okay, it's very, very soft, extremely malleable, very bendable t-shirts. Okay, I haven't noticed any wrinkling. Whatever it's made out of kind of prevents it from wrinkling, because when I look at my H&M shirt, this is an H&M shirt, right? You can see how it wrinkles. Once you unfold it, you can see how it's wrinkled. So if I unfold this t-shirt completely, okay, you can see there's a whole bunch of wrinkles on this shirt. I'm not sure whether this is what type of fabric this shirt is made out of, but I'm assuming because of the fabric, it wrinkles a lot more when it's folded. All right, you guys, so I want to be a little bit funny here, and I don't want to sound too crazy, but I want to compare my current t-shirts from H&M and Aeropostale to the True Classic Tees t-shirts. If I were to compare these with, let's say, bed sheets, the H&M t-shirts are roughly a 400 thread count, and then the True Classic t-shirts would be roughly a 1,000 thread count. In terms of softness and quality, this H&M t-shirt does not compare whatsoever to the True Classic Tees t-shirt. It's legit 2 times to 3 times more soft and more flexible than the H&M or the Aeropostale t-shirt. So to put this into perspective for you guys, on the True Classic Tees website, the color 3-pack, which is the gray, the green, and then the blue shirt, which is what I'm wearing right now, they legit have over 1,000 5-star reviews. The numbers alone and the ratings alone already tell you how good quality these t-shirts are, and then me just speaking about them in general as well already makes them over the top t-shirts. And then on the website as well, the V-necks also have over 100 5-star reviews. I'm assuming it's less because people don't really wear V-necks as much as the crew necks. Since I've started wearing the V-necks, the white one, the black one, and the gray one, these have really become a staple t-shirt within my wardrobe. And just to show you guys what the V-neck looks like on me, okay, this is what it looks like. Same exact thing for the sleeves. Right on the bicep, it's directly in the middle. Okay, both the crew neck and the V-necks are mediums. In terms of fit, they both fit me the exact same way. And let me tell you something, if you're on the lookout for a girlfriend, my girlfriend loves the V-neck shirts more than the crew neck because she thinks showing the chest hair a little bit, showing the pecs through the t-shirt right here, it's a little bit sexier. She's like, oh, you exposing the chest? Oh, you showing that chest muscle and that hair on the chest? She goes crazy. So I'm telling you, the women like the V-necks more. Don't be shy on the V-necks like I was for the past 5 years. Throw in the V-necks as well with the crew necks, and your girl, or if you're looking for a girl, is gonna really like it. If you throw in the V-neck, I'm telling you, women will like it. So with that all being said, I want to conclude this video by giving you guys a 15% off discount code. The discount code which will give you 15% off is Alex Kouras 15. So in the description below, I'll leave the discount code as well as a link you can click on as well. Once you put on the softness and the quality as well as the fit of the True Classic t-shirt, you can't go back to any other branded t-shirt whatsoever. You just can't. There's no comparison in terms of what I've purchased for t-shirts. Listen, I'm telling you guys, don't sleep on True Classic Tees t-shirts. These things are superior to any other brand that I've personally worn, and I want to recommend these guys to you because I don't want to talk about any brand on my channel that isn't good quality, and I'm telling you from experience, all of my life I've worn lesser quality t-shirts, and the second I threw these on, absolute game changer. So make sure you guys check out True Classic Tees. Use the discount code for 15%, Alex Kouras 15, and get yourself True Classic Tees t-shirts. But that's pretty much it for the review for the True Classic Tees t-shirt. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe down below if you're new to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to check out True Classic Tees, and I'll catch you next time. Peace!